Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a tax-free savings account, or TFSA, using the RBC mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I head to the bottom right and tap on the More icon. From there, I scroll down to Products and select Open an Account. Once I'm on that page, I go to the bottom and press on Investments to get started. Next, I'm asked how I want to invest. RBC gives a few different options depending on my style. If I want a completely hands-off experience, I can go with RBC Investees. If I want some guidance while still being involved, I can choose RBC Royal Bank. And if I want full control like I usually prefer, I go with RBC Direct Investing. After selecting that, I'm brought to a page with different account options. Since I'm opening a TFSA, I simply find the tax-free savings account option and select it. From there, I just continue, verify my information, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Overall, the process is pretty quick and easy, and it's a great way for me to start investing while taking advantage of tax-free growth. So yeah, that's exactly how I open a TFSA using the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.